Hi, I'm Alia. So for today's video I have something a bit more special for you guys. So since tomorrow is the 8th of February, which is a national holiday here in Slovenia, and we are remembering our famous poet France Prešeren. So France Prešeren wrote our national anthem called Zdravljica, and today we are going to translate our national anthem, and at the end of the video we will also go to Prešeren Square and we will look at the Prešeren statue and we will look in the direction he's facing. So if you don't know where he is looking at, so the statue, make sure that you stay around for the end of this video and you will find out. So Zdravljica translates to a toast. Altogether there are 8 verses, but only the 7th verse from Zdravljica is our national anthem. And this is the one we are going to translate. And each of the verses in Zdravljica are actually shaped as a wine glass. To begin with, I am going to recite it by myself, or I'm going to read through it by myself. So first that you get a feel for it, and then we will translate it together word by word or line by line. Okay, so let's begin. Žive naj vsi narodi, ki hrepe ne dočaka dan, da koder sonce hodi, prepir iz sveta bo pregnan. Da rojak, prost bo vsak, ne vrag, le sosed bo mejak. Okay, so let's begin with the first line. Žive naj vsi narodi translates to let all the nations live. So živeti means to live, naj translates to let, and narodi is a plural from narod. So narod means a nation, and narodi would be plural, so more nations, so at least 3 or more, okay? But I'm sure you can hear that I'm saying žive naj vsi narodi, but before it was narodi, right? So the stress is on the last part of the word. That is because there is something called Poetic Freedom, or in Slovenian pesniška svoboda, which allows the poet to, let's say, use one word and by putting the stress on a different part in that word to make the rhythm of the song more easier or more pleasant. So as you can see, it's not that strict, right, in Slovenian language. Alright, and then let's continue with the second verse. Now we have Žive naj vsi narodi, let all the nations live, ki hrepe ne dočaka dan. Ki means which. Hrepene comes from the verb hrepeneti, it means to long for something. Dočakati, to await, and dan means day. So if we put it together, ki hrepene dočaka dan, which are longing for the day to come, okay, or which are longing to await for the day. Okay, so žive naj vsi narodi, ki hrepene dočaka dan. Da koder sonce hodi, da means that, koder means where, sonce is the sun, hodi is to walk, okay, or hoditi is the infinitive, so to walk, okay. Da koder sonce hodi, that where the sun is walking or going, again, poetical freedom, right? So da koder sonce hodi, prepir iz sveta bo pregnan. Prepir means a fight or an argument. Iz sveta, from the world. Svet means the world, so iz sveta. Iz sveta, again, poetical freedom, pesniška svoboda. Iz sveta, from the world. Bo pregnan. It will be vanished or it will be chased away. Okay? So prepir iz sveta bo pregnan. The fight from the world will be vanished, so or will be chased away. Okay? Da rojak, prost bo vsak. So da means that. Rojak is a fellow countryman, so for me it would be a fellow Slovenian. So da rojak, prost bo vsak. Prost means to be free. Bo is indicating the future from this to be free, so from the verb to be free. Bo prost, will be free. Vsak means each or every. So da rojak, prost bo vsak. That each fellow countryman will be free. Ne vrag, not the devil. Le sosed, only the neighbor. Bo mejak, will be your boundary or will be your border, let's say. Okay? So that is our national anthem. I really hope that you like it. And now let's go to Prešeren Square and see the statue of Prešeren, and we will see where he is looking at. Alright, I will see you soon at Prešeren Square. Bye bye! Alright, so now I'm walking to the Prešeren Square where we will see the statue of Prešeren, and I thought it would be fun regarding the sorry, there are dogs, regarding the Slovenian National Anthem, that first it was censored by Kopitar. And, oh, look at the dog, it's so cute. So then a famous, let's say, verse from another poem came, which is Le čevlje sodi naj Kopitar. So it means that only the shoemaker should judge the shoes, okay? Because Kopitar is a Slovenian word for someone that makes shoes for the horses. Alright, then I will see you at Prešeren Square, and also we will see how Zdravljica was censored on Čopova Street. Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, and here I am at the Prešeren Square. As you can see, behind me is the statue of Prešeren. And if we do 180, see, there is the Emporium and the god Merkur. In Greek mythology, he is the god of trade. And then we have the church. And there, in that street we will go in a moment. It's Čopova or Čopova ulica. Depends which part of Slovenia you're from, how you pronounce it. And see, there he is looking at Julia. So he was in love with Julia. And many of the poems he wrote are dedicated to her. So there is the Prešeren Square. Alright, now that we know where Prešeren is looking at, so at Julia, his unfulfilled love, and now let's go see the Zdravljica, which was censored, so when it's crossed, and we will see it on the Čopova Street, or Čopova if you are from the Gorenjska region, so all the people from Gorenjska, please don't come at me, I say Čop. So, alright, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I'm now on the Čopova Street. It's one of the most, it's actually the busiest street in Ljubljana. It's like, I don't know which are the most popular streets across the world, but basically that would be equal to it. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm walking. And see, there you will see the Zdravljica. It's engraved in the ground. Alright, so here it is. Now this is the Čopova Street, and see, it's crossed. And it says Živi naj vsi narodi, ki hrepeni dočaka dan, da koder sonce hodi, prepir iz sveta bo pregnan. Da rojak, prost bo vsak, ne vrag, le sosed bo mejak. Alright, and now I'm back at the Prešeren Square. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Ciao, ciao!